Is your Android internet running slow? Buffering videos, slow downloads, and lagging games can be frustrating. I'll show you how to change your old APN settings and set up a new fast APN to improve your mobile internet speed. Let's get started.
Go to Phone Settings. SIM and Network Settings. Choose your SIM for Add New APN. Access point name. Click on plus icon, Add New APN. First tab on Name. Speedboat X Gamer 5G. Second tab on APN. Number 3, tab on Username. Number 4, tab on Server. MCC or MNC by default. No any change. Authentication type. PAP or CHAP. APN type. APN protocol. IPv4/IPv6. APN roaming protocol. IPv4/IPv6. Now save new APN settings after restart phone after check internet speed If you like video, please subscribe, like, share. Thanks. Watch next video.